What is up, my dudes? It's your boy Rainbow Benny, and I am back at you with a brand new video. And today, my dudes, we've got in the house 100% cocoa, unsweetened cocoa powder. Alright, my dudes, so what we're gonna do, as you can see, I am wielding a spoon, and I'm gonna spoon this cocoa, and it's gonna be in my mouth in a moment here. Just hit myself with the spoon. And today, my dudes, we're gonna eat this. I'm gonna tell you what I think of it. I'm not ready. Alright, my dudes, we're entering the bag. Actually, we've already entered the bag. Is that good? You see that? I think that's fair. So we're gonna put this in my mouth. Yes, this is what's happening. It's gonna happen. We can't stop it. I mean, we can, but we're not going to. We're just gonna send it, my dudes. I do it for you, you know. Through the lips and over the gums. Look out, stomach, here it comes. It's just straight up powder. That looks gross. It looks nasty on camera. Oh man. Well, I can tell you one thing. It's close to eating very finely ground dirt. Pretty much. It tastes like chocolate. Because it is technically chocolate. Unsweetened. No sweetness at all. Very bland. But it's got a very strong kick of cocoa. It is. Not bad. Of course, this is powder. So, you usually cook with this. And you usually do not eat it. Straight up chocolate. Cocoa. Powder. I can tell you one thing. It's not great. It is not great. There are chocolate bars of 100%. If this video gets 5 likes, I will definitely eat 100% cocoa chocolate bar. The whole thing. The whole thing. Oh! Well. Sometimes I just question why. Alright, my dudes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next one. See ya. Bye.